Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Here I am again for Junk Journal January 2025, and thanks for stopping by and spending a little bit of time with me. I appreciate you all so much. I do appreciate you. This time I'm on number 13. I was going to combine Opaque and Balance together, but Opaque is one of those ones I got to try to figure it out. I think I got something good for it because Opaque means something that can't be seen through. So I'm going to try it by itself, and then I may do Balance and Neutral. I'll have to do a couple of them together just to get myself going. But today we're going to do, now we're going to do Opaque. So I'm to this page, and I have this page that has text on it. So I'm putting a little bit of gesso along on it to, if I can find my, oh, there it is. I'm going to put a little gesso on to take the wording down a little bit. The wording on this page is so bright, and I kind of want to push it back a little bit because it's so bright. Just want to push it back a little bit. I like the words there, but I want to push it back so that it's not so prominent that you're spending your time trying to read the words that I hope are not bad words, that are not anything bad on here. I looked it over, I didn't see anything bad, but you never know what's considered bad these days. So I, pushed it back a little bit. I want to push it back so it's not so out there, and you can see the words and see what's going on and everything. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. The weekend has started, and I'm still decluttering, trying to get the decluttering done in January along with Junk Journal January. So January is quite the month, and after I finish decluttering, I'm gonna try to get a little painting done. So I got a lot to do. So let's see where I'm at. I have these lovely flowers for this house, for this scene here that I'm trying to create. So I'm gonna put the flower here. So it's nice to just get down to the craft room and work. And I think at some point I want to get to the craft room and kind of declutter it. So that will be a journey right there, to declutter the craft room. And I want to give some of my crafts that I don't think some of the things that I have that I don't think I'm going to actually work with. I think when I was buying things, and I don't think I'm actually going to work with some of the stuff that I bought. So I think I'm just going to give it to like the women's, not the women's, the senior home. So I'm going to give some to the senior home there so they can have some supplies that they will probably use. Now, I got this house here, and the house is the main setting of Opaque. And the reason why I consider it opaque is because the house has these windows that you can't see through. That one you can see through. These ones you can't. It also has the door you can't see through. So that's my interpretation of opaque. A house with windows that you can't, windows that you can't see through, and a door, because I know nowadays we want doors with windows because it makes the house kind of dark. So if you can't see through the windows, it's gonna be kind of dark. And this house sits out in a forest of flowers. So I guess that's one of the reasons why you can't see through it. And then what I want to put here along with this is I want to have, I get so carried away with my glue here, is I want to put a pocket here that I could put things in. So I want a pocket to make the page a little bit more functional. I like a pocket right here. So this has, the page has a pocket on it along with the flowers. And to keep that flowered effect going, on the pocket, I'd like to put a flower. So I'm hoping that you're enjoying my journaling, my junk journaling, my making of things. Also, I hope that you're enjoying the series and the other people who are, I kind of want him there, but I don't think he fits. I don't think he fits, so I'm not going to put him there. I like him, but I don't think I'm going to put him there because he doesn't fit. Do I have any people that might fit there? I don't think so. I think all the people I have don't truly fit there. Let's see about her coming into the woods. Nope, she doesn't quite fit there either. Nope, she doesn't fit. So trying to find somebody that fits, because I like a person there, but I don't have anybody that fits. I have a few cutouts. Maybe these fairy girls fit. Nope, they don't fit either. Finding somebody to fit is gonna be hard. Let's see. Here's a fairy. Here's a fairy. Nope, she's not fitting either. So I'm gonna have to leave it the way it is. I like it the way it is. I like the idea of balance that I found, that I'm using, where you have a place, the balance is you have a house with no windows. With the windows, once you peel them back, you can see, like, the door opens, and once the door opens, watch me tear the door. Once the door opens, you can see behind the door is high, but while the door is closed, now the door is not going to close, but I think once the page folds down, you'll see it. But that's the balance of it all. That's the opaque of it. Windows that you can't see out. Windows and doors that you can't see out. I think I'll put the windows back down. I don't want them to stand out. Yeah, the door can open a little bit, but the windows, so that's opaque. Where the doors, windows and doors don't open in the floors of flowers. And also a pocket where I can put something in. Where I can put a tag in if I want to. Let's see if I got a little tag. I usually have a little tag somewhere. Some little tag. Let's see if this little tag fits in there. Yeah, it does kind of. Sticks out a bit, but there it is. There's a smaller tag. I do usually have small tags. Let's see if I got a smaller one. Nope, I don't. All my tags are big. I don't have a smaller tag. I should have made one, but I will. So there's a tag that sticks out right there. And I think I like that like that. So that's opaque. Doors and windows that you can't see through. So that's opaque. Let me know what you think about this one. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for following me. This is 13 Opaque. Okay, and I'll see you next time with balance and neutral. Talk to you later. Bye now.